Today I'll be showing you how to make a more advanced change to your schedule, but one that is not permanent. So in this example, we will be keeping the building occupied a few hours longer, but for an entire week. And we don't want to change the normal schedule behavior because we want it to return to that normal schedule as soon as that week is over. So what we're going to do is move into the future on our schedules page. We're going to pick next Monday, the 7th. We'll see our normal schedule occupied from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I could change this time from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., go to the next day, do the same, and repeat that for every day in my range. But there's an easier way. I can click on this empty space in my schedule here, and we see this button, Create Exception. When I click that button, we'll confirm that's the schedule we want to do. Click Next. And we'll have some more options. You can see we can do this exception on a single date, on a daily recurrence, weekly, monthly, yearly, or a calendar. In this case, we'll do a daily recurrence starting on June 7th and ending on that Friday, June 11th. Now we define what we want to happen on those days. We want our normal 6 a.m. occupancy, but we don't want to go unoccupied until 7 p.m. So we're going to change that time to 7 p.m. and make sure that goes unoccupied. We can add those events here and click Finish. Now, when we check next Monday, we'll see our red border around the schedule indicating that there is an exception on that day. And we can validate that that is the same for every day next week. But as soon as we check the following week, we'll see that the schedule has returned to normal operation of 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's no need to remember to go in and take that schedule change out and revert that back to normal. That is going to happen automatically. Hopefully you find this useful, and it's a great way to make sure your schedule stays exactly where you want it and still have those special events that you need from time to time. Thank you.